we have a question on the board. We have that 5 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 20, and we're supposed to find the value of x. So here, we're supposed to find x. All right, so we're going to try to rewrite the left side of the equation, and then we can introduce log to both sides. So let's start solving this question. So we have 5 raised to the power x times 5 raised to the power minus 1 equals 20. Now, we know that a raised to the power m plus n is equal to a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n. So we're going to rewrite this side of the equation in this format. Okay, so now we have, this is already done. So let's just rewrite this. This is the same thing as 5 raised to the power x divided by 5 equals 20. This is the same thing as 20 over 1. And what do we do next? We cross multiply. Okay, so now if we cross multiply, we have 5 raised to the power x equals 20 times 5. Okay, now let us introduce log to both sides. Okay, introduce log to both sides. So now we have log 5 raised to the power x equals log 20 and 5. Now we know that log a dot b is the same thing as log a plus log b. Okay, so let us introduce, or let's rewrite this section, the right-hand side of the equation, in this format. Okay, so now we have that log 5 raised to the power x is equal to log 20 plus log 5. Now, this x can come over here to become x log 5 equals log 20 plus log 5. Now, we can divide through by log 5 on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side. So let's do that. Divide through by log 5. So now we have x log 5 divided by log 5 equals log 20 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. So log 5 can go on this left-hand side. We have 1. Log 5 can go here as well. We have 1. Log 20. 20 is the same thing as 5 times 4. Okay? And 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. So let us continue with the solution. So this becomes log 5.4 divided by log 5 plus 1. Now, we can open up this to become log 5 plus log 4 divided by log 5 plus 1. Now this becomes, let's write them out separately, plus log 4 divided by log 5 plus 1. If we divide through here, we have 1. So now we have x is equal to 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. So we have log 2 raised to the power 2 divided by log 5. Okay. Divided by log 5. So this 2 comes over here. And then we have that x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 divided by log 5. Okay. Now we know that log a base c log b base c is the same thing as log ab. Okay. So now let's rewrite this. We have that x is equal to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5. Okay. Now we can collect some like terms. X is equal to 2 into 1 plus log 2 base 5. And this is the value of our x. Now let's go ahead and verify this answer just to see if our answer is correct. So let's verify. To verify, let's go back to our question. 5 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 20. Okay. So now we have that 5 raised to the power x minus 1. Trying to find out if it's equal to 20 when we add the value of x. So what is our x? We'll rewrite this first of all. So this is 5 raised to the power x over 5 equals 20. Now if we plug in the value of x, we have x is the same thing as 2, 1 plus log 2 base 5 divided by 5. We're trying to see if this is equal to 20. So let's open that up. We know that a raised to the power m plus n is equal to am dot a raised to the power n. Okay, so let's apply that to the numerator. So now we have 5. Let's multiply this out. Becomes 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5 divided by 5. Let's see if that's equal to 20. Okay, now we have 5, 2 dot 5 raised to the power 2 log 2 base 5, if that's equal to 20. We're going to rewrite this section. And that's the same thing as 5 raised to the power log 2 squared base 5. Let's see if that's equal to 20. Now, we are forgetting our 5 divided by 5. Let's not forget that one. So here we have 25. 5 squared is 25 divided by 5 dot 5 log 2 squared is 5 raised to the power log of 4 base 5. Okay. And we're trying to see if that's equal to 20. Now we know that a raised to the power log of a, b is the same thing as b. So let's apply this formula to this section of the equation. And so we have 25 divided by 5 times 4. If that's equal to 20, 5 here is 1, 5 here is 5. So what we have left is 5.4, if that's equal to 20. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 is equal to 20. Therefore, our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. So the value of x is correct. So if you've learned something new today, make sure that you like this video. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe. And also make sure that you share this video so somebody else can learn something new as well. I'll see you on the next one.